Two doggies. Hot cup of Joe. Do you what I really wanna do? Ah. Oh. That's
Well, got my little primitive camp at Amicalola Falls State Park, kind of just outside of it. I went to the gate, they sent me to the lodge. I asked the lodge for availability. They said there wasn't any, but the girl at the desk was like, yeah, you can actually, it's all state property and you can just find some anywhere. So anyways, I ventured down this road and found what looked like a little artificial little ligaments. So I got my robo knees. I don't know, I feel better having these. I took Adam Reeman's advice and yeah, and picked up the K4's pods. But yeah, they're really pretty nice, man. They're and they're just a nice like peace of mind, I guess. Because I don't know, I had a knee surgery done, and I mean that's a big bike. And I mean there's just times where you're trying to put your little stick legs down to save a balance here and there, and anyways, it's a nice peace of mind having some like legitimate knee braces. Just kind of like a structural support, man, and some impact stuff too. So yeah, I'm starting to figure out my sequence. It's like find a spot, throw out the tarp, lay the tent out with the pegs, put the post in, do the insert, the air mattress, the sleeping bag liner, the quilt rather, puff up my air mattress and my pillow. I have this little Ettenwolf, or I'll have to look at it again, but it's a little inflator. Super cool. You just charge it with USB. It also has like a little hanging lantern, so if I wanted to I could put it here, but I also just keep a headlamp. I mean the last couple nights I've been pretty much in bed by dark, which is nice. I like being able to set up camp and then, you know, go to bed with the sun down, and or at least like have everything set up by then. Maybe be cooking a little something, wrapping things up, but like, yeah, hunkered down, you know. And then you know, getting up with the sunrise and getting a nice productive day in of riding, and start getting out of my riding gear and into my camping gear. So I'm gonna expose myself. You probably, I don't know if YouTube. All right, got my fresh underwear on. So these are just Merino Tech merino wool briefs, and then I've got 2 sets of long johns, and these are the 320 rated ones. I guess they're thicker, you know, it's like something, I forget what the number stands for. The other ones are like 250, so these ones are, you know, significantly thicker and warmer, and yeah, it's supposed to drop down pretty good. The high was like 55, you know, by the end of the evening today. It's pretty chilly most of the day for riding. And yeah, and then going back to this, these are these LL Bean jogger pants. They have like elastic cuffs at the bottom, which I like. I can like tuck socks in the long johns. It just like keeps me warm and feel secure and cozy or whatever. And they're like real stretchy, and I guess maybe like water resistant kind of material. These are those Luna sandal Tabby socks. And this has been working out pretty good. I just swap into those, get out of my boots. Pods, pants, tactical shorts go off. I guess I do that either all at once with the top section and the bottom all at once, or this time I did it in stages. I took the top off because I was super sweaty. and like when it gets chilly, it'll get you pretty quick. But yeah, these are Tabi 2s, they're called. They're kind of like, they're supposed to be waterproof. They've got this monkey grip stuff that kind of fuses to the Luna sandals, and then I got the like kind of, I forget, they call it like bear paw or something. That they've got a, yeah, I don't know, but they're Vibram soles, and you can custom build them to like your liking, what kind of sole you want, whatever, and what kind of straps you want. You can get nylon. I just chose leather. But yeah, between the socks and these and little tie up, man. I don't know if you can see that, but they do the trick. And they're kind of cool to just take on and off when I'm climbing in and out to do some cooking, and that way I'm not tracking in here. I'll get my other footsie covered up. It's kind of chilly. It's like all pale and blue looking. Get some warmth going. I'm about to do a just propane meal. Definitely a lot more convenient just doing that. I've just been hitting soups and spiking them with like packets of tuna for protein and the broth, and man, it's just it does the trick on like an empty belly and shit. It just whew. I think I'm looking forward to. But yeah, so that's another part of the rhythm is wake up and get water, get fuel, and maybe like, yeah, if you're not gonna come across any groceries and you got some space in your storage, then go ahead and grab something, you know, in case you don't come across something later. It's just nice to have something locked in. Of course, if you're like ahead of schedule, or you're wrapping up your riding day early and you happen to be coming across a nice store with a little more selection closer to where you're planning on camping, then maybe you can get fancy.